It's our very last test day. They look so good. We actually have a very exclusive footage here right now. Alright, welcome back to the channel. I am fortunate enough to drive the craziest E36 of the Nürburgring. That belongs to Gio. What's this button?
I think the center console is from like a Cabrio, probably. So it has a third.
Oh, okay. So to do the roof.
I have no idea. Maybe.
All right. Quite hot in here. It's because the car is hot, right?
Yeah.
It's like the hottest E36.
Yeah.
All right. So it moves. That's good. How many hundreds of thousands of kilometers did the tacho get turned back? Because it's 168,000, I believe it's. The
previous owner said they're genuine, but it probably has like 3 million.
Yeah, I think so too. What's happening?
What?
I don't know. Ah, the pickup point is just... There is just also no power, that's what's happening.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, at least it has emotion, it has this natural 4-cylinder purr. Everything is still running, we're not leaking any oil or coolant, so that's, I think, an achievement of its own. It's actually good. It doesn't feel loose. Sometimes I'm driving worse cars on track, so... I was thinking of getting you a company car, but I think this is as good as it gets.
Oh yeah, it doesn't get better.
No, so...
It's perfect.
This is gonna be your prototype development company car. What's up with the steering wheel here?
I have no idea.
No, it's nice. Don't comment me on my seating position because I don't want to change your seats.
It's fine, you can change it if you want.
No, it's alright. How old is the car now?
20, it's a 98, so like 25 years old.
Wow, very cool.
Same age as me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Yeah, it was meant to be.
That's amazing. Yeah, it's cool. Let's see what else we can put in this video for today. Yeah, I think we peaked in the BMW content by showing you the 318, but we also have something else for today's video.
I actually prefer the 318.
Yeah?
I think, yeah.
Yeah, we should like really sign up with the 318. Put a massive DRS wing on it.
I would love that so much.
Yes.
Like the same factory horsepower. So
yes. Yeah, whatever is left from it. Today we are here at the Nürburgring with Jimmer, Emmanuel, and somewhere Steve probably sleeping on a very comfortable Bürstein chair. It's our very last, and actually also first, test day.
Yeah, yeah. I guess it is, yeah.
I mean, we had some races this year, but actually now we have an official test day that Bürstein has booked, but also plenty of other teams are here testing before the 24 hours of Nürburgring. There's of course also NES race, but it's something we're not participating with. So yeah, we have some setup tweaks that we're very happy and excited to try out. Probably not gonna give you away what we are doing, maybe later in the point in the year when we are kind of done doing what we're doing, but we're very excited to try out new things, certain things, and see how the new setup and new components form. So other than that, let's wait till the car has its wheels on, some fancy wheels, and then we go for some laps. We're actually testing Jimmy's new haircut.
Or my lack of haircut, I think. But I wanted to get a blonde again and sort of have my little the roots and that. You have to have the ugly bit before it's good. This is the ugly bit right now.
Ah, okay. So for N24, you're gonna be fabulous.
I really hope so. If not, then I can't go. I can't drive. That's the rule. They said to me.
Yeah.
You're fabulous when you arrive. You can't drive. So.
And he did it for you. Oh, good morning.
Hey, you always said it.
You're right, mate.
I always wait till you move the camera and try and time my yawn, then you do me dirty like that.
Yeah, I did. The coolest bit of this whole video is this. The hand-drawn British people, how do you say it?
Some fine artwork.
Okay, that's how you say it. No, I'm like, is it hand-drawn or hand-drew?
Hand-drawn.
Hand-drawn, yeah.
Nice little squiggles there, that is a mighty fine artwork.
Exquisite.
Exquisite artwork.
Exquisite.
You've done a fantastic job there, buddy. You've done a fantastic job.
Bloody lovely. Let's put it on the bonnet. So idea behind it is that we all sign it. We will be selling the prints, like the copies of it that Gio is making already. And the original one we are going to auction off for charity, yet to be decided. That's it? That's it?
Yeah, that's all I got.
What is it, 63 Smiley?
I work at the MG, not you.
That's my legacy. You're a big fan of George Russell, number 63. I love George Russell.
There comes number 44. There comes mine, the most boring one of them all. It's gonna be literally just Misha.
can now successfully forge all our signatures. All for you guys.
And this is why I sign not with my real signature. So in case you're gonna have a driver's contract. Oh, hello. What's your name, you new little fella? Ah, you're so warm. You just came out of bed. Sorry, what was that again?
Can we just double check the front right again? Guys, can we triple check the front right?
They look so good.
They look beautiful.
They are. They just came out of the nice warm blankie.
Aww.
I wish I could be there.
they're always taste shit when they just come out of the oven, you know.
I'm so fucking proud of you, man. This is actually amazing. We actually have a very exclusive footage here right now, because we usually never use the reverse gear, as you may see during the races, because actually if you put the reverse gear on with the rear taillights, if they see that you have rear taillights, you're gonna get disqualified and you might even lose your license or get penalty. That's why everyone is always pushing the cars. But since we're here on a private day, we can use all that reverse gear we want. Ah yeah, the turning radius is fantastic. Let's use that reverse gear one more time. Ah, there we go. Love a good pops and bangs map. Fast forward back to Vulcan Alpha, not back because you haven't seen us in this video yet, but the testing was a success. You have to believe us because we cannot show you the footage out of competitive reasons for now, at least until the 24-hour race. But what we can show you, however, is some 3D printed magic. So Lapo, what have we got here and why do we have it?
So we're really close to having the Urus done, at least the front. So next week actually is gonna... Can we say next week?
Yeah, we can say.
Okay.
Yeah, we can say next week. At least at this point, the plan is to have it next week because this video might be published today on the time of showing it, like the Wednesday, the 8th of March. No, wait, May. Something with that.
March?
Anyway.
I hope it was...
The time is flying, yeah, I know. For people who do not know, do not remember, we actually have a Lamborghini Urus as a project car, customer car, of Lamborghini, of our friend Connor, and we designed the front and rear bumper, their off-road spec. Check out video in the video description that we already actually went over previously, but we're gonna do more in detail later on. But now, a quick update of our 3D printing skills.
Yeah,
So
anyway,
what are those?
basically there was a problem, not a problem, yeah, a small issue that we had to relocate the sensors, and I wanted to have them integrated with the design of the bumper so they wouldn't like mess around. So instead of buying conventional ones, which would have created some problems because you have to adapt them and stuff, I decided to create new ones. So these have basically the standard parking sensor brackets. So I recreated them in CAD, and basically these clip on. And then if you look here, this slides in the metal mesh, and you glue it in. So you have a mount, and then if you break it, if anything happens, you can take it off and put a new one. I have the file, so if Connor breaks anything, I can send him, I print on a new one and send it to his location, wherever he is in Sahara Desert. So this is this one here.
Yeah.
Then this other one is the side one, and the triangle one is right there.
Nice.
Actually, this one is the other one, but whatever. So basically, you take the sensor, it clips in, and you have the sensor is right here, and you have a holder.
Nice.
So glues in.
Fantastic. Fabulous. Beautiful. Stay tuned for more of that. We're definitely going to show you the project on its completion within a week, because the bumper is now being laser cut in Italy, shipped here, and then we're going to be assembling it then. The rear bumper will be also done in Italy, but Connor decided to drive down to Italy and have it done there because for the purpose of content, which is going to be actually pretty cool, which will also show the versatility of our workflow, because we can make stuff happen here at the Ring in our workshop, or we can make a design and send it over to you wherever you are, and you can have it done in your own workshop. So that's kind of it, I guess, for today. Yeah, so subscribe, like, and share. We didn't have any food shot, but we'll compensate it in one of the upcoming video, probably, if Gio will ever make us tzatziki.
I don't know how to make it.
Oh, what?
What?
Dude, it's like saying to me I don't know how to make a pasta with tomato sauce.
You should make us pasta to make us go faster.
Stop it. Stop it.